Salve to discipuli. This is Magister Buddy. It was wonderful to see so many of you yesterday in our accidental meeting. Apparently, I made another mistake. I meant for the Prezi comment submission to be due on Friday, and several of you have emailed me asking what exactly you're supposed to do for it. So I want to walk you through it real quick. I'm in student view on Canvas, so I'm going to click on the assignment over here, which now you can see is due April 3rd. The description is here, which I think most of you have seen already. So after you view the Prezi, you're going to click on Submit Assignment, and then go down in here, put your cursor here, and just give me some sort of comment. Now, make sure that it's not about Prezis in general. Maybe you just don't like Prezis, but that's not what I want you to comment on. Maybe tell me something that you learned about Aeneas and his journey to Rome in this process. Something about the content, the subject matter at hand, not necessarily the Prezi itself. And really, that's all I'm wanting. And then you click Submit Assignment, and that's it. So I know that I have a Zoom meeting set up for tomorrow. Again, we're not actually supposed to start meeting with you guys online until next week. So I'll still try to be there. I shouldn't say try, I will be there when I have it scheduled, just in case some of you want to see me or want to see each other, and we can do something fun again, like do a Quizlet Live like we often do in class, or maybe you just have some questions, and that's it. So, voile to discipuli.